Hello, mommies and daddies. Sensei Grandpa welcomes you back. In this episode, I will share to you the closed open method of finger multiplication beyond 10 times 10. In this video, I will be teaching you how 11 times 11 to 15 times 15 are done using our fingers. Allow me to take you to a brief review of the previous video. We learned the 6, the 7, 8, 9, and 10. Likewise, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We said if we multiply 7 times 7, we open the sevens. And each open finger counts 10. So we have 40. And the closed fingers count 1. And multiply together the left side and the right side to get 3 times 3, 9. And we add 9 to the 40 to make 49. Thus 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 8 is 72. 10 times 10 is 100, as there are no ones. 0 times 0 is 0, so 100. Now this 100 beyond 10 times 10 will be always carried forward to 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now, where is the 15 in our fingers? Where is the 11? The 11 is just like the 6. So this is our 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very easy, the same. However, when we multiply the 11 times 12, 12 times 12, 15 times 12, we read the answers slightly different from 6 to 10. Take for example, 12 times 12. In memory, we know it is 144. Now, here, each open finger still count 10. So we have 40. However, this time, we do not multiply the closed finger, but instead the open fingers are given count of 1 as well. So we multiply 2 times 2, which makes 4, plus the 40, we have 44. Then we add what we have accumulated in the 10 by 10, which is 100. So we have 144. 13 times 13. Again, we have 100, then 60, 3 times 3, 9. 169. Then 13 times 12, for example, we again have 156. Then we have 19 times 19. We have 180. Then 4 times 4 is 16. So 180 plus 16, we have 196. Then we have 15 times 15. So we have 100 plus 100, that makes 200. Then 5 times 5, we have 25. So that makes 200 plus 25, we have 225. Thank you. In our next episode, we will move on to 16 up to 20. See you.